Good morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur, and I'm going to teach you English language in your 6th class. And today your topic is articles. As all of you read these articles from your lower classes and understand it carefully. So let's start. The name of chapter is Articles, chapter number 19. So what is an articles? Articles you used always use articles in your sentences, in your routine. When you speak English you use articles, but you just only 3 articles are there in English: a, an and the. So word a, an and the are called articles. So this is the definition of article. Such an easy definition means word a, an and the are articles. These are under the category of determiners. This determiners, under determiners you read adjectives, numerals, demonstratives and articles. So separately it's a unique topic, articles. So let us study them deeply. So articles are of 2 types. Articles are of 2 types. What is the name of these 2 types? Definite article and indefinite article. A and an are indefinite articles and only the is there under the category of a definite article. So what is indefinite and definite? Definite means when we talk about some definite thing, some particular place, some particular person, some particular thing. When we talk about something particular, then the article is used. But when we talk about something else which is not so particular, we use a and an. Further, they have their further different uses, like this. Use of indefinite article. First we use before, firstly. Use of indefinite article an. It is used before singular countable nouns. Before singular countable nouns. Must be singular but countable nouns like egg, an egg, a hen. These 2 are singular countable nouns. With them we use indefinite articles. So also secondly we use the words begin with consonant sound. A is used with the word begin with consonant sound. Example: dog, pen. A dog, a pen. Both D and P are consonants. So you use A with the words start with the consonant sound. Next one, beginning with U sound. What is U sound? Why U sound? Like European, university, uniform. They start with U but sound is a YU sound. So here you can use A. Here see E and U, these both are vowels. Sometimes you just confused that it starts with vowel. Why we use A? Because start with vowel. These are start with vowel, but actually they start with the sound U sound. And next is you can use A with W sound. And what is a W sound? Like 1 rupee. Speak 1 rupee. 1. It's a W sound. 1 rupee. With a word start with W sound, you can also use A. So these are the use of A. Understand the use of A? Okay. Now let us start next use of an. Where you use an? An is used with a words begin with vowel. First and the foremost important use of an is it is used with the words start with vowels. An ox, an I. Vowel sound, you can use an. Second use of an is the an is used with the word begin with consonant but have a vowel sound. Word begin with consonant. Here M is a consonant. MA, MLA. These are abbreviations. start with M, start with consonant sound, but have a start with consonants but have a vowel sound. Am, speak like this. Am, a sound. A sound is there. Am, MLA, MA. So in this case you can use an. Third next use is begin with silent H. An is also used with the words start with silent H. And R. Here H is silent and R. Next is use of definite article, the. With particular thing or a person, previously I also mentioned for you that the article is used for a particular thing, particular place, particular person. For example, the Indian football team. For example, I am talk about that Indian football team performs too good in a championship. So I am particularly talk about Indian football team, not any other team, just Indian. Here something particular is there, so you can use the with the particular things. Next use of the is used with a singular noun represent a whole class. Singular noun represent a whole class. For example, I just talk about a whole category of lion. This example is of lion. Lion is a wild animal. Not only one lion is a wild animal, isn't it? Is it possible? No, whole category of lions are wild. So with a noun represent a whole class. For example, I said that dogs are faithful. I talk about whole category of dogs, whole class of dogs. So this is next one of next use of the is used with a superlative degree, means superlative degree, third degree of anything, means the best. For example, good, better, best. So with the best you can use the best. So this is the use of definite article the. And your next topic is you can also use the with the famous names of rivers, mountains, ranges, like historical monuments and certain books, things, unique things, like here the examples: river Nile, Gulf, Persian Gulf, seas, Black Sea, Mount Everest, the name of mountain, so on. So next topic is omission of article, the conditions or the places where you didn't use any article. For example, before proper nouns, never use article before proper nouns. Delhi, Gandhi. Delhi and Gandhi are the proper nouns. They are the proper names of, Gandhi is the proper name of person and Delhi is the proper name of place. So you are not allowed to use an article before proper nouns. Second is before names of substance. You are also not use any article before the name of any substance like gold, silver. You are not use any article, not a, an or the. And the next one is before abstract nouns. Abstract means, what are the abstract nouns? Which are not seen and touched by us. So no article is used with abstract nouns. For example, sincerity, happiness, these are the abstract nouns. You didn't use article with these. Also article is not used before languages, French, English, no article is used with them. And before names of meals and before the name of relationships. With the relationships like brother, sister, no article is used, and also no article is used with your meals like dinner, breakfast, lunch. So this is the rules where you didn't use any articles. So this is all in your chapter article. Read it carefully and try to do your exercises as your own. Thank you.